Alright guys, how you going? Welcome back. Um, Here we go now. I've just calculated all my points up. I have 6,750 points. Exactly what I need to redeem my first reward on Microsoft Rewards. So when you reach this level, as you can see up here, I now have earned 4,025 points this month. I'm still on level 2. I have 6,758 available points, and I need 6,750 to redeem this gift card. So let's go ahead and see how that goes on redeeming my first reward on Microsoft Rewards. So we just go in here now and redeem now, and we have in here a $5 e-gift card, and if we go redeem reward to here, and it says redeem my award, and I confirm the award. I go confirm my order. Here it is, 6,750. My $5 Coles E gift card. There's the order number, and it says it's ready to go. Here we go. My order is here. It allows me to do. I can use it at Coles, $5. Redemption URL. Click the redemption URL provided above. Print. Bring it into any supermarket. Select the e-gift card as payment. Scan the barcode. Type in the amount. Enter the 4-digit PIN. And it's got this PDF file here. So I'll open this up. Do is print this out. And or scanning, bring it into a supermarket. You can also print this PDF from your smartphone. Select a gift card from the payment screen. Select the barcode. Type in the amount and enter in the 4-digit PIN, which is so that's how easy it is. Really easy to do. Hope this inspires you to continue on with Microsoft Rewards. It works. What happens when you keep at it? I've only got about 8 valuable points now. You can see that it's been deducted, but I can keep earning points. I've got some daily polls here, some extra things I can do to get some more points. Keep earning points. This is a really cool program. That's what it's like when you redeem your first points. I hope this inspires you to keep on going. Thanks for watching.